So a nice warm one today, about 32 degrees, something like that. Just in a process of pulling down that greenhouse, which has served us well over the years, and literally getting stuck into the native garden. As you can see, the native garden is turning out beautiful. Got a few ponds in there, native bees over under that little structure, Restringia, lots of lily pilly, tons of Eremophila. Pathway looks great. Predominantly natives in there. Get plenty of bees, plenty of little birds in the afternoon. But the main aim, our fence line goes back to that garage structure right at the back there.